Yeah, here I'm now with Hind, one of our colleagues at Boehringer Ingelheim, one of our participants in the Making More Health Insights Week in Kenya. It's our 5th day, I believe, Hind, but
It
maybe
is.
you start with introducing yourself.
Hello everyone, so I am Hind. I'm the head of HR for KSA. That's one of our countries within IMETA. And I'm very, very fortunate and lucky to be part of this Insight Week.
What is your experience here?
I think it was a roller coaster. So I think I came with some expectations that I will not, whatever I'm gonna see is not gonna be something that would bring a lot of joy, I think. But I would say that it even exceeded my expectations of seeing how much need is around. First 2 days, I think it was very, very, very emotional for me. But day after day, what made me actually get over it and see a silver lining and even be very optimistic is seeing how many people are trying to help, how the community is trying to help each other. And over top of that is also seeing MMH and the contribution and the impact we're making within the community.
How would you describe this impact?
I really love how we are doing things in a way that while we're addressing short-term needs, but we're also helping people to be able to support themselves. And there is one concept that I really fell in love with, which is the needy for the neediest. When we are taking care of a group of people, upskilling them, and then they will be the ripple effect and the change factor here. They go and help others. And I think that's what we're trying to do, is magnify the impact that we're doing. So it's our short-term help and then also long-term support and sustainability, enabling people to help themselves and help people around them.
Now, you being also in HR and having an important role, how would you describe the importance of such leadership programs for our managers, for our people at Boehringer Ingelheim?
I think it's very crucial for multiple aspects. So I would say that there are 3. Number 1 is getting completely out of your comfort zone. And I think here there's a lot of challenge for your emotional intelligence, your cultural awareness, your inclusion, and all of these stuff. So it is really an environment that enables you to, number 1, challenge yourself and also see where can you improve. And guess what? You actually have a lot of best practices and examples around you from within the community. You see, though it is very basic, but you get a lot of learning of how to be good to others, how to be more inclusive, how to be more emotionally intelligent, how to even accommodate your different type of team. So I think even we come expecting that we will help, but we get a lot of learning for ourselves. Third one, I say that I've been in a lot of forums within BI where we get to network, but I think this is one of a type because we don't only network, we actually bond. Because it's an environment that enables you to be nothing but your true self, and that brings a very, very strong bond between each other.
Now, the META region has also engaged in our MMH community work here in Kenya a lot, for example, with the digital devices, the digital trainings you have done. What are you going to do when you go back now to your teams, to your country, to Boehringer Ingelheim, let's say? What are you planning to do there?
I think I will have 2 key messages. One of them, I'll be very selfish and use it for HR agenda, which is employer branding and highlighting to people what we do and how do we contribute in BI to, and how much committed we are really to sustainable development for generation, that we're committed and we are also delivering. I think the other thing is hoping, and that's going to be my key message, that you know what, don't think that you don't have the skills required or you don't have the capability or the capacity. Small things matters, and we can start with small or big. Everything would contribute and impact here.
This is fantastic. Thank you so much, Hind.
Thank you, Manuela, for
and
bringing
enjoy
me
the
here.
rest of the week.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.